Why must I go on and fill my life with little things when there are big things I must do? Lots of dreams that really.
Hey, well, hey everyone, it's me, Gappy. I'm back at 1 AM playing Melty Blood. I haven't, changed at all. In terms of improvement, I'm a little better, I guess. I'm really just mostly here to train. That's nothing, I didn't really have a plan of, accomplishing anything this time around. It's just, I want to get better. Just a little bit better. C for curry, and C for cunnilingus.
Pussy!
Summer has finally arrived to the block, and well, what can I say? Yeah, well, well, so it seems. Oh, it can't be helped. Yep. I like that it's a good way, for me to properly maintain a schedule for things again, because that was near impossible to do with all the demands that a lot of people wanted me to maintain. My fingers are getting all mixed up. Whoopsie. You ever feel like when your fingers get all tied up and they'll start spiraling upwards in a little goofy way? That's what playing this game sometimes feels like. I can finally drive a car and steer around the roads in a fashionable way, befitting for a lowly broom sweeper like me. Wahee! Woohoo! The car goes. What do they want? Hold on, what does this say? 2A, 5C. Oh, they want me to do that. 5cc. Like that? Yeah. Fiddlesticks. Boondoggle. Oh, I got it. Okay. That wasn't timed right somehow. Time, my biggest mortal enemy. Always waiting to ambush me at the precise moment. She is flying like the she is flying like the wind. That's the good sauce. This is what I always accidentally keep doing. It's really embarrassing. This one is the... Hold on. Yeah, there we go. I don't even have to hold it. Okay. Not the one I want. Not the one I want. That's the fast one, which isn't actually that great, I think, in my opinion. I can do A leading into it, I think, but not anything else. Nope. Missed. Red. Yeah, we pulled up in the Hulk machine. Oh, there we go. No, I can do that. Okay. Okay, I can do all of them, actually. That's actually really great news. The problem is actually just getting up there, though. It's like getting to that part, which I never seem to do very well. Especially for, Seal. How did I do that before? I think I just instantly did it. No? Do I have to wait? I think I have to delay it. So they're both equally, pretty, manageable. Splendid. I cannot, I can't get that up. I can't, not, higher. Let's get a little funny. A little bit crazy. Son of a... That's slow, that's attack, and that's fast. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Alright, that's enough. Middle-san, middle-san. This ain't jazz rap. Oh, that does work. Boxing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whoa. Oh yeah. Wait, it's been a big art kind of feeling I'm welling up inside. That has impeccably unreasonably range. Not so much if I do a B, so I guess I should use that other one for sort of a finisher or just racking on damages before I start using up meter. Only this is really allowed to come across with all that range. How does this mistletoe stand? Come on. Come on. Come on, Eldenberry. Score. 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 I like to imagine that life sometimes is about watching the billiards that are individuals cower up beneath to stardom. And while their attempts may or may not be in vain or futile, well, for example, that's only a matter of opinion. I think it's a bit of a spectacle to see. I suppose. Possibly. Piccolcine, this boy. It's time to put our knowledge to the test. Which frankly wouldn't have changed very much, but well, it's good to record things down on a little quaint notepad, isn't it? Oh, didn't mean to do that. Sorry. That probably no, that didn't actually cost me. Wow, that's great. Stall, stall. Could this be goodbye? Finished. Extinguished. Mind broken. Crushed. Decimated even? The worst characters to be randomized at. Oh my god. Oh my god. Die, Umfi! Booyah! Return to monk. A big fistful full of fish. Oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit, oh shit. Kato, kato. What is this fairy disguise? Ugh, that was not the right button. I mapped it out differently. That. Excruciated. Plunger, as in the bathroom. The bathroom, the bathroom, the bedroom. I'm the goddamn Batman. Fuck counselors, fuck counseling, fuck school therapy. They don't care about you, they want to reduce suicide rates. Seal from Tsukihime. My ass hurts. Bushwinkle, bushwinkle, bushwinkle. Crucifixion and execution. Sunny side up, of course. Let's have a nice toast. Why not? Just nothing but crumbs. Sliced, impaled, cutaway, cutlery, cutlery, cutlet, chicken. Bones in one, grasping. Figs, Bumblebees dancing in the night. Not again. Ugh. Well, fake it till you make it. Bitchy. Bitch slap. Britchy. Bigger than buttons. No, no, don't, don't slow down. Squiggly pork. Let's be someone else. A soul as red as the grease monkey in my basement, hiding like a little shadow. Unideal. Unideal. Undesirable. This chair. Every time you repost, this cat falls down the stairs. Poker with Oreos. That's what happened on the last day of school. Banza, banza, banza. Banza rapa. Go on, go on, go on. Pavement. Quandorano. Did it always look like this? Get befuddled, confused, meticulously wrapped around in foil, and put it on microwave, burning alive. It's always about the furniture. They're magical. They're magical little beings, and they're magical little blades. This is a lot about the state of the world. You'll pay for that. Yeah, that's right. $53.49. Of course they're tipping it too. Jump! Here goes the little coin toss I've had saved up.
油断やり直したまえやり直したまえ
ソロ長い器用だな
失礼する失礼するよ残念それではもうカット
カルバリア・ディスローアークドライブフィニッシュ団長行ってこい血が昇ったぞ血が昇ったぞ
猫に本気出されてもにゃ
荒々しい演奏になったな。You win.